This one is going to be listed on OpposingCylinders.com.
Today we're on the road to go get a car, one owner, AAR Cuda.
So this thing is super straight down the side.
Well, it's an early morning. We're back in Ohio. We left California with sun and we're in Ohio with snow and rain. Today we're on the road to go get a car, a listing for OpposingCylinders.com you're going to want to check out. So stay tuned in this video. It is a 1970 one owner AAR Cuda. So one owner AAR Cuda, all numbers matching, fully restored, coming to OpposingCylinders.com. We have to go get the trailer. We're going to load it up, bring it back to our shop. And this car is coming soon to OpposingCylinders.com. By the time you see this video, it will be live on OpposingCylinders.com. So share it with your friends. It's not cheap. It's definitely not cheap, but bring us a serious offer on this car. We'll give you a walk around. We'll show you more once we get it in the garage, all in today's episode.
I really didn't get to film getting the car. We do have the car in the garage. Sorry about the echo. It is what it is. But the car is in the garage. I had to load it up in the trailer. It was a light mist, so we didn't want it wasting the time, get the car all wet, and then get the ramp all wet and pulling it in. But let's take a look at the car, and we'll give you a quick walk around and show you this 1970 Cuda, AAR Cuda, numbers matching, fully restored, all in our garage. So this thing is super straight down the side. Everything's been gone through on the car. The interior is terrific. The carpet is all good. The door panels, you see inside the doors, everything is really nice. The doors shut tremendous. When you look at the doors, they just shut perfect. The gaps are all good. I'll pop the hood here in a second and show you that. It has the hood pins on it. But this one is going to be listed on OpposingCylinders.com. It's not going to be cheap. So anyone that knows what these are worth, again, a one owner, and it has, I think, 70-something thousand miles on it. But again, it's been fully restored underneath, top to bottom. All documentation. We have a whole build book of it, so you'll see it all. But great car, sounds good. Let's continue to show you around here. But just that down the side is all terrific. What a great car inside. So it does have the 4-speed in it. All the gauges are all new or restored. The dash is perfect. Headliner is perfect. Again, doors shut tremendous on the car. We're going to have it on the lift here soon, but I'll show you a little bit underneath. Gas tank, everything is all brand new. The floors underneath this car, all the shocks, exhaust, rear end is all completely painted or powder coated. I mean, top to bottom, this car is very nice. And let me stop this real quick and I'll get the hood open and show you underneath the hood. But even inside the wheel wells, you'll see are all painted, all restored. So yeah, check this car out. Okay, let's show you underneath the hood. Again, you'll see underneath the hood is just as detailed. Everything has been completely taken apart. Has the correct battery, the plug wires, all the documentation, all the stickers, everything is in the right place, the right parts. They tried to do everything back to original as much as possible underneath the hood. So the AAR Cudas, I'm not a Cuda person per se, but it is a 340. So the AARs only came in the 340, so this one does have that in here. And then let's look underneath the trunk as well. The trunk is just as nice. All the metalwork, All the body, the quarters are all perfect inside. So the floors are all terrific. You have the spare. Just, I mean, what a great car. All documented, everything underneath. Inside, the deck lid is all terrific. So you can't go wrong with this car. Again, the floors, let me see if I can pull this up. The floors are tremendous. So you gotta take a look at this car on OpposingCylinders.com. And this one is ready to go to a new home. We will be the contact on this vehicle. Again, it is with us at this time. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call us. Check out all the photos. Again, we have the documentation. We'll entertain a reasonable, serious offer, but please don't waste your time with a lowball, ridiculous offer, because the owner won't take a ridiculous offer on it. Again, there's one owner, so we have all the documentation, the bill book, and so forth. But if you're interested in this car, you can give us a call, 937-430-0242. Please visit our website first, so you have all the documentation, you have the photos. Again, OpposingCylinders.com. You'll see that, along with probably up to 200 other vehicles listed at all different price ranges, whether it's muscle cars, hot rods, you name it. We have it listed. Customs, trucks, we have a lot listed, and a lot of great cars for every budget there. But this car is ready to go, starts up great, and yeah, check it out. So you'll see inside the tack works, all the gauges work in here. So yeah. So thank you for watching today's video. We greatly appreciate watching. Just something real short, small. Sorry we couldn't get more content, but it is a little wet outside, so we cannot drive the car at this point. We'll get this car kind of cleaned up a little bit. We'll get it on the lift. We'll get more photos underneath. Give us a thumbs up if you like this type of content, just a short, brief video, and more listings that are coming to the website. Please consider joining Opposing Cylinders as a member, where we give you discounts to vendor partners from all over the country, such as California Car Cover, SoCal Speed Shop, RJ's Speed Shop. You have Pete and Jake's, you have Greening Auto Company, you have 25 plus different vendor partners that are providing you discounts, and so much more. We have many giveaways that we're going to be doing, so check out the website. Again, click on memberships, join us today. We have a lot of exciting news, and our app is almost ready, where you'll be able to go to our website directly from our app. And I think that's it. So check us out on Instagram at Opposing Cylinders, and we appreciate it, and we will see you on the road. Maybe even in this Cuda, if we could get a warm day, just driving around the neighborhood. And this one's going to go to a new home. So we'll see you on the road in the next episode.